What if I told you in just 2 hours from now you could create a digital product that is in complete alignment with your healing gifts, that speaks to your clients' struggles and actually sells? I am offering today the Micro Offer Goddess. So just grab that in the link down below. You'll get a PDF with the link, and I will show you exactly how to use this Micro Offer Goddess to create your first digital product, and it only take you a couple of hours to do from start to finish. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it step by step so that by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your wisdom and powerful healing gifts into a micro offer that your clients are absolutely going to love. So let's jump to the next screen, and I'm going to show you exactly how that works. So here we are in the ChatGPT dashboard. If you don't have an account already, it's easy to set up. Just go to ChatGPT OpenAI. You can sign up for a free or paid account. I've never paid for ChatGPT. I feel like the free version works just fine for me. The wonderful thing about this Micro Offer Goddess is that she is already pre-programmed for the holistic wellness industry. So if you were just to go into just ChatGPT and put some prompts in to help you create your program, it works fine, but you have to tweak it a lot. You have to train it on what you do. This one's already pre-trained, so it already knows your languaging. It knows how holistic healers and this industry works. So we don't have to worry about some spitting out some generic program. So when you get your PDF, if you haven't already downloaded my free gift, go ahead and go into the description. You'll find a link there, sign up, and you'll get a PDF delivered to you. In that PDF, you're going to have a link, and once you're signed into your ChatGPT, you're just going to click on the link. Mine's already preloaded in here. So this is what your screen is going to look like. She is already pre-built with some prompts to get you started. So, you can create your micro offer from scratch. If you've already know what your micro offer is, here's where you can get your sales pages and your copy for emails. This is where you can create some bonuses to go with your offer, and then social media and email sequences. So you can see that it's pretty robust. So let's go ahead and start right here with create your micro offer from scratch. So it's going to ask you a couple of questions about what the pain point is, who your audience is, who you're serving, and it doesn't have to be super detailed. If you don't have clarity over what you want to create, then you can just give it some generic. So I'm going to tell it, I help menopausal women who struggle with weight gain, sleeplessness, anxiety, and hot flashes. Okay, let's see what it comes up with for me. It does take a minute with the free version of ChatGPT. If you pay for it, then it's you have priority. It's about $20 a month. I just haven't really felt the need to pay for that one. Okay, so the offer name is Menopause Reset, 7-Day Relief Rituals for Calm Sleep and Confidence. That's a pretty good one. You can actually ask it to name, come up with different names for you. If you're not thrilled with what she comes up with first, then you have your clear transformation, the emotional shifts so that they identify. It's like, yes, I really am that person. I really want to work with you and solve this problem. Their deep desires and a hook. Finally sleep through the night. Stop battling your body and feel like yourself again. So that's a nice hook so they can identify with how your program can help them. Triggers, you've got your I know the frustration kind of statements, your call to actions, and then an optional upsell. So an upsell is something that will follow your program. So your micro offer will start that process with them, and then you can upsell them into your Maybe it's a $37, maybe it's a $97 program, or maybe it's your group coaching, whatever you want to upsell them to. And then if you have some prompts for your Instagram, or you want to create a YouTube short or something, then you have these suggestions to help, you know, with your sales process. So here's the plan here: simple sleep journal, rituals, breath work, food swaps, for weight management, nervous system reset. So here's a great little plan, a 7-day plan. You can run it as an email sequence. You can come in and record a mini video for every day and have that delivered to them. You could do it live. You could do like a challenge, a Facebook challenge in your group. So there's so many ways that you can use these little programs to help to gain that balance in your practice. So you're not always doing hands-on work, but you're still sharing your healing. You can, if you are a yoga instructor, you can pop something in to help them, do their practice away from you. If you are a chiropractor, if you are a Reiki therapist, whatever modality that you are working in, this little goddess will help you to get the word out and to create a program that you create once. And then you get all this information. You can create a sales page if you want. You don't necessarily have to do that. You can keep it as simple as possible. If you keep watching my videos, I'm going to show you how to sell this program in a very easy manner, low tech, right? We're not salespeople. We're not techie usually. We're hands-on. We love to feel, what we're doing and make a difference that way. But this will help you to create something that will bring balance. You create once. So you can go into Canva. Canva is a great platform for creating your beautiful PDFs that you can deliver to them. Okay, so the next thing, I don't really want it to do the sales page for me yet. I kind of want to see, can you suggest some bonus material for this micro offer? I mean, you can really ask it to do anything. It's pretty amazing. The more detailed you are, it's great at coming up with some great ideas. So here's a sleep sanctuary audio pack. So maybe you can record some meditations for them. Maybe you have some, here you go, hormone-friendly snack recipes, anxiety ritual, an empowerment journal. You can So yeah, it's coming up with some really great ideas to have some bonuses. So now it's asking me, want me to package these into a stacked value offer? Let's see what happens. Yes, please. Okay. So the core offer here is the 7-day relief rituals. And they're saying it's a $297 core offer, but you're offering it for maybe $37. You're going to have your bonus 1, your audio pack, bonus 2. So here's the total value, but today you get it for $37. So it's suggesting how to sell this, which is nice. You want a call to action. You want them to say, I need this now. I need your help, please. And then let's see. It's asking you to, okay, let's just say yes, please. I'm usually very polite with chat. You can yell at chat too. Sometimes it yells back. Chat GPT, if you haven't used it, it's pretty fun. I even have it do readings for me, a tarot reading, which is kind of fun. So you can do all kinds of things with it, but mainly I use it to create some offers. Okay, it is being a little slow. So here it's breaking down a whole sales page for you. So if you want to create a sales page on something like beacons or stand store, you can, you don't necessarily have to have a sales page, but it is kind of nice. Keep watching my channel. I'm going to show you how to do as much of this as possible, low tech, so that it makes it super easy for you. Because I know we're not salespeople. We are not techie. We just want to get our hands on people and heal, right? So this will just break it all down for you. So you can see the power of this micro offer goddess. I hope you enjoy it. If you I would love to see what you are creating. So drop that in the comments below and let me know what this does for you, what you come up with. Here's some scripts for Reels and TikTok videos. Let's go ahead and see what that says. All of the things that it comes up with, you can bring into Canva. You can create all of your Facebook posts, your Reels posts. You can create your PDFs, your journals. All of that can be done in Canva from all of these great suggestions that the micro offer goddess is giving you. So anyway, it's okay. So here it is. It's giving you some great hooks, your little story, the transformation. You always want to talk about the transformation. You don't want to talk about the details of your course. You want to talk about the transformation and what it can do for people. That's what they're going to hear. They don't care that it's a 7-day program. I mean, you'll mention that, but it's not like the highlights of what's going on here. So your call to action, delivery tips. This is pure gold, people. This has made my life so much simpler. When I first started creating courses, I did it all from scratch. I had to come up with all the modules myself and all the pain points and all of the lessons. And this just cuts the work down in immensely. It would take me literally months to create a course. Now I can go in, if I have an idea, I can go in and I can get that outline. Now, of course, you don't want to just use what it spits out. You want to tweak it to match your own voice, to match your clients and how they, receive your healing and your information. So, but it's such a great start. And honestly, there are things that it's come up with that I wouldn't have thought of. And it just makes my programs that much better. So anyway, this is the micro offer goddess. If you haven't grabbed it yet, go ahead and grab it in the link below. And I hope you have fun. I'd love to see what you're creating. So just drop in the comments below what you are creating and have fun with it. So you just saw how simple it is to create a powerful digital offer in just under 2 hours with the micro offer goddess. Just imagine how much more impact, more freedom you can have if you're no longer limited to your hands-on hours. You create it once and you sell over and over again. So start today. Just click on the link down below to get access to the micro offer goddess and start creating your own micro offer before the end of today. Your clients are looking for solutions right now. Let's make sure they find yours.